again.
How is your family?
Yeah, fine, sir, and you?
Yeah, the same to you, sir.
Can I ask you some question about your family?
Yeah, you can ask me.
How many members are there in your family?
Yeah, there are 5 members in my family. And you?
Yeah, there are 3 members in my family.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Yes, no, and you?
Yeah, I have me and 2 sisters. Can you tell me about your parents' name?
Yeah, I can.
What is your mother's name?
Yeah, my mother's name is Sophie, and you?
Yeah, my mother's name is Raylan. What is your father's name?
Yeah, my father's name is Soda, and you?
Yeah, my father's name is Makara. Oh, by the way, what is the main religion in the Cambodia?
Yeah, the main religion in the Cambodia is Buddhism.
Which religion do most Cambodia people follow?
Most Cambodian people follow is Buddhism.
What religion do you follow?
Yeah, I follow Buddhism, and you?
Yeah, the same to you, Sam. What religion does your mother follow?
Yeah, my mother follow Buddhism, and you?
Yeah, the same to you, Sam. What religion does your father follow?
Yeah, my father